Good morning, students here at Tec de Monterrey. Today we're going to solve with Professor Sebástian Terrazas and with student Luis Cortes how to solve a rational function. So, Professor, that's our main function. So, right now, what do we have to do in order to solve it?
First of all, we have to factorize the top part and the bottom part of the equation.
Okay.
As Luis is going to do it. The result would be in the upper part x plus 5 times x minus 1, and in the bottom part x minus 2 and x plus 1. So the next step would be find the x-intercepts. We do this by isolating the x in the top part of the factorization. The first root will be x equals to minus 5, and the second root will be x equals to 1. The next step would be the vertical asymptotes. This one we realize them by subtracting the x on the bottom part of the factorization. Okay, here we have it. The first vertical asymptote is x equals to 2, and the second one is x equals to minus 1. The next step is a horizontal asymptote. With this one we have to divide the highest terms in the main function. We have to divide them. x2 over x2, it will be 1. And the final step would be finding y-interception. We do it by equalizing to 0 all the x's. So f of 0 would be 0 squared plus 4 times 0 minus 5 over the square of 0 minus 2. This would be equal to minus 5 over minus 2, having as a result 2.5.
Okay, right now I think we have to graph it, but I'm not pretty sure how to do it. But Professor, can you tell us, like, what do we have to do for graphing it?
First we have to mark where are the vertical asymptotes, that in this case are 2 and minus 1. The next step would be to mark the horizontal asymptotes, that in this case is 1. Then the roots, the x-intercepts, that are minus 5 and 1. So we're going to mark them on the graph. Well, the next step is to know from which direction are the graphs going.
We're gonna know here if it's positive or negative. So here minus 1.1 plus 5, it will be positive. Here it will be negative. Here negative also, and here will be negative. So positive and negative, it's negative. Negative and negative, it's positive. So negative over positive, it's negative. So it will be going down. Now we're gonna follow the same step, but instead of minus 1.1, it will be a number on the right. So we will put minus 0.9. 0.9 minus 1. Minus 0.9 minus 2, minus 0.9 plus 1, and this will be minus 0.9 plus 5 will be positive, negative, negative, and positive. So it's negative over negative equals to negative. So it will be going down too. Now we're gonna follow the same step, but now with it's 2.9. So positive times negative, it's negative. Negative times positive is negative. So negative over negative, it's positive. So it will be going up. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing, but in this way. So it will be 1.9 plus 5, 1.9 minus 1 over 1.9 minus 2 times 1.9 plus 1. So this is positive also, this is negative, and this one's positive. positive and over negative, it's negative, so this will be going down. And the last one, that it will be, it's 2.1, sorry, it's 2.1 plus 5, 2.1 minus 1 over 2.1 minus 2, 2.9 plus 1. So this will be, this is positive, 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 and positive. So positive over positive, it's positive. This will be going up to. And now, sorry, it was right here. And now to graph, we have to know the y-interception also, that it's 2.5. So it will be 1, 2. The y-interception will be right here. And we will start. Now, here's the x-interception. We have to cross the x-interception. Now, here we have to match the arrows. So here's the y-interception, and here's the x-interception. There. And here we only have to do this, not crossing the asymptote, and that will be it.
Okay, so Professor, I think it's the way to solve a rational function is clear to me now. Thank you very much, Luis and Professor Sebástian. I hope this will benefit all my classmates. Thank you.